Bow Gai Ding. Kung Pao chicken. A main dish from China. Serves 2. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Soak the black mushrooms in hot water for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Blot dry. Dice. Set aside. Step 2. Combine the first measure of peanut oil with a light soy sauce, the first measure of dark soy sauce, and the cornstarch. Blend thoroughly. Step 3. Marinate the chicken in the mixture for 1 hour. Step 4. Heat the wok. Step 5. Add the second measure of peanut oil. Swirl the garlic clove over the bottom and sides. Discard the garlic. Add the chicken. Step 6. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add the green bell pepper, bamboo shoots, water chestnuts, black mushrooms, peanuts, the second measure of dark soy sauce, and the chili paste with garlic. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Culture, add the Chinese travel spice.